Every animator knows, a costume is half the success. Carnival Factory has created a collection where everything is thought out. This is not just a bright image, but a full-fledged working tool. Overalls, lush tulle skirt, leggings, bomber jacket, and headdress. The main feature is that the suits are neon, glowing under ultraviolet light, as well as a light fabric that does not constrain movements, comfortable zippers, elaborate details, and cuffs with an elastic band so that the sleeves do not slip during active games. Universal size 46 to 52 is suitable for a height of up to 185 centimeters. Reinforced seams and 3-stage quality control of OTK guarantee, the suit will withstand more than a dozen children's matinees and corporate parties. This style of the costume is ideal for thematic events in the style of the 80s and 90s, and children's parties. Production in Russia, production time from 14 days, and the opportunity to sew an individual image for your event. We ship all over Russia and to 160 countries around the world. When ordering from 3 units, personal conditions apply. Leave a request in the contacts under the video. We will find the perfect option for you. Carnival Factory, made in Nizhny Novgorod. We work honestly, conveniently, on time.